Yeah, hello everyone. Myself Maruti welcoming you all to the math video session. In this topic or in this video, I'm going to explain a sum from geometric progressions with the help of our famous S rule. Okay, and I'll be telling you the methods also how to find this one. So let me recapitulate the S rule. Right, let's go for S rule. So what's the S rule? From the question, okay, from the question we have all the S. Right, yes. These are all the S's from the S rule. Okay, so as you all know, we take in go in two direction. Right, first S is nothing but the sentences, means we take sentences from the question, two set of sentences from the question, then we write in terms of symbol. Right, so the sentences what we have picked from the question, we write in terms of symbols, then we simplify that. We simplify the symbols what we have. From there, we'll be getting equation 1 and we'll be getting equation 2. Okay, now if you simplify equation or if you solve equation 1 and 2, then we'll be getting the value of R. Okay, now after substituting R in equation 1, we'll be getting A value. So that is what? After getting A and R, you can do any sum whichever you want. I repeat, from the question, we take two sentences. We write two sentences in terms of symbols. Then we simplify. So we solve equation 1 and 2, then we'll get the value of R. Right, from R, if you substitute in any one of the equations, we'll get A. After getting A and R, we do whatever we want. Okay, now what is asking? Right, the fourth term of a GP is 2 by 3 and the seventh term is 16 by 81. Find the GP. That is what the question is. So what's the GP? It's nothing but geometric progression, geometric series, entire series we want. So entire series means if you find any three terms, that is A1, A2, A3 and so on, AN is nothing but the geometric series. Now, how to write A1? It's nothing but A. And how to write A2? It's nothing but AR. How to write A3? AR to the power 2 and so on. A into R to the power n minus 1. So for all this stuff, right, if you check it out, we need only A and R. Okay, we need A and R. So A and R, how to find A and R? I said you earlier, in my earlier videos, we have four methods. So first method is direct method. We give A and R directly in your hands. Right. Second method is nothing but series method. Right, you give a series and you have to figure it out A and R with the help of series. And the third method is nothing but one term method, means he will be giving one term. But if you check it out in this question, he has given two terms. Fourth term, right, seventh term. In this question, how many terms he has given? Two terms. That is our last method. That is nothing but fourth method. That is two-term method. He will be giving two terms. So, with the help of that two-term method and writing in the form of this S rule, we find the A and R. After getting A and R, we will find the series, whatever is asking. So, let's go for that one. Let's go step by step. So, what is there? From the question, pick two sentences. From the question, two sentences. We'll go, fourth term of a GP is 2 by 3. Fourth term, right, of GP is 2 by 3. This is what we have taken from the question, means we got the sentence. From the sentence, as I said, in terms of symbol. So that is how to write A4. A4 equals 2 by 3. I have written in terms of symbols. Now after symbols, simplify. How to write simplify? A into R to the power 3 equals 2 by 3. Writing in terms of A and R is nothing but simplify. So as we have said, it's nothing but equation 1. That's what he said. From the question, sentence, symbol, simplify, you get equation 1. Yes, I got it. Okay, now go for the other set of question, sentence, symbol, simplify, you get equation 2. Let's me work on that. So what he says, seventh term is 16 by 18. Seventh term is, how much he has given? It's nothing but 16 by 81. This is nothing but the whatever he has given. Again from the question, we have, what we got? We got the sentence, right? That you write in terms of symbol. Seventh term. A7 is equal to 16 by 81. Now I am simplifying. A into r to the power 6 is equal to 16 by 81. Writing in terms of a's and r's is nothing but simplified. And if you have 7, we write 1 less than that one. Why? Because a into r to the power n minus 1. 7 minus 1 is 6. Now I like to call this as equation 2. Okay, as the S rule says, after getting equation 1 and 2, we have to solve it. Here, please remember, in GP, we divide the equations and we solve it. We divide the equation. So what we are doing? Solving equations 1 and 2 by division. With the help of division, let us solve it. But please remember, the bigger equation on the top and the smaller equation in the denominator. So which is the bigger one? If here r to the power 6 and r to the power 3, obviously r to the power 6 is the bigger one. That is a into r to the power 6 by, what's that? A into r to the power 3 equals, here it is nothing but 16 by 81 and there it is 2 by 3. Hope you are able to understand. The above one is the second equation divided by first equation. Second equation divided by the first equation. If you check it out, we can cancel A and R3, R4. I think we'll be getting like this. So that is r to the power 6 minus 3 equals, let us flip it, 16 by 81 into 3 by 2. We reciprocated it. So now 2 ones and it's 8, 3 ones and I think 3 2s and 7, 27. So r to the power 3 is equal to 8 by 27 we got. Is it clear? But r to the power 3, can I write 8 as 2 to the power 3 and 27 as 3 to the power 3? Yes. Now r to the power 3 is equal to 2 by 3 whole to the power 3. Now straight away I can say r is equal to 2 by 3. The bottom part I am taking r. So that's what I said. After solving a and right, what we get? R. Yes, we got it. So after getting r, let us substitute in any one of the equations and we'll get the value of a. So which is the simpler one? This is the simpler one. Substituting r is equal to 2 by 3 in equation 1. Yes, I need to substitute. What's the equation 1? It's nothing but a into r to the power 3 is equal to 2 by 3. Let us substitute the value of r in this one. That is a into, right, r we got 2 by 3 whole to the power 3 is equal to 2 by 3. Okay, now let us substitute. Let us substitute in that. So a, right, we'll be getting 2 by 3. I like to write it as 2 to the power 3 by 3 to the power 3 into 2 by 3 equals 2 by 3. Okay, that is what. Now send it to the other side. I think it's better for me to write like that, so to make it equal for easy for you. I'm writing it as 2 by 3. Okay, now a equals 2 by 3 into, and sending it to the other side, it becomes 27 by, it's 8, 27 by, I'm flipping that one. 8 by 27, it goes to the other side, it's nothing but 27 by 8. 3 ones, 3 nines, 2 ones, 2 fours. A is equal to 9 by 4. You got it? 2 ones, 2 fours, 3 ones, 3 nines. So you got the value of r. So now the tricky part. So what is asking? Right, he's asking. What is asking? The series. Therefore, the series of GP. What's the series? AR to the power 2 and so on, into r to the power n minus 1. This is the required. Let us plug in. What is that? 9 by 4. Right. 9 by 4 into r. R, how much you got? It's 2 by 3, comma, 9 by 4 into 2 by 3 whole square and so on. 9 by 4 into 2 by 3 whole to the power n minus 1. If you simplify further, write 2 ones, 2 twos, 3 ones, 3 threes. So 9 by 4 into, what's that? 3 by 2. Right. If you simplify further, 9 by 4, yes, I think it's 1 and so on. 9 by 4 into 2 by 3 whole to the power n minus 1. This is how we are going to do this sum. After getting the series, we are done. In this channel, I have been placing both math and science videos.